Are you a burnt out therapist and you're tired of the rat race and you want to work from home? Listen up. I have some tips on how you can do that. Step one, make the decision that you are now a teletherapist. You no longer work outside of the home. It's a hard switch mentally to do when you've been working in schools, hospitals, nursing homes, home health. It's a very hard mental switch to do, but just make the decision. I am a home-based therapist. I do teletherapy. When recruiters call you with that great opportunity that's at a school or a nursing home, wherever, you say, oh, thank you so much, but actually I only do teletherapy now. So please contact me with any teletherapy contracts or virtual contracts that you have. I know it's hard, but we have to put that into the universe because it's not going to change unless we change our mindset. So if you're an occupational therapist, speech therapist, physical therapist, you're going to reach out to companies that only do virtual work. Presence Learning, Focavision, eTherapy.com, Hello Hero. You're going to stick with those companies. You're going to reach out, see what job opportunities they have. Let them know that you're open to getting licensed in other states because you need to be licensed in the states that the client lives in and also the state that you live in. It will take some time because contracts kind of roll in when they roll in. Make sure that you can sign up with multiple companies. Some companies do have a non-complete clause and they don't want you to work with other companies. If that's the case, then you have to decide if it's worth it for you. Also, caseloads might take some time to build. So you do need to have some flexibility. Don't quit your job right away if you don't have that flexibility and time, or if you don't have like money in the bank or a mate that can kind of help. The contracts will come, but it might take some time. And lastly, play up any tech skills you have. You probably already know how to use Zoom. You know how to work systems and databases from your current job. So don't let the fact that you might be new to actual teletherapy run you off. I'm sure you've done lots of virtual meetings. I'm sure you've emailed things, attached things, worked in systems, you've done billing, you've done presenting in IEP meetings if you've worked in pediatrics. So play up all the skills. And if you need help, check out ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a wonderful resource for you. You can put in there that you're looking to do a teletherapy job and you need to see what skills you need. It can help you type out some really great things for your resumes. Lastly, just believe, don't give up. I'm home, I'm making my own coffee. Do you know how much money I used to spend on Starbucks when I worked outside at the home? Now I get my cheap Folgers and I make my 2-3 cups a day. It's wonderful, guys. Look at me, I look happy, I look rested, I look like I'm present, I'm grounded. This is not how I looked 4 years ago when I was still working at a nursing home. Good luck to you. If you need any help, drop me a comment. Drop me a comment. Don't DM. Drop me a comment and I'll see if I can help you. Bye.